Here is our weekly portfolio and market review. Our portfolio overview. This week we had a decline of about 1.94% after having a very strong start to the year. We deposited funds this week on Wednesday and invested them on Friday, Australia time. We invested in VU, for our kids' college, General Motors, Microsoft and Nvidia. Some of the main events from the week. Earnings reports came out fairly weak this week, especially from companies like Capri Holdings, Lyft, and Chipotle. Alphabet took a hit this week as it tries to battle against Microsoft in the AI arena. The Fed speak this week was more hawkish this week after the market read a dovish Fed in the previous week. Investors started to look towards the CPI number that is coming out on the 14th of February for January. Russia announced today that it will start to cut oil production in March. This could have an impact on oil prices. Here are our poll results. This week I asked investors which crypto they would rather invest in. 590 investors voted and here is what they said. BTC 21.69%. ADA 30.85%. Ethereum 13.73%. LUNC 33.73%. If you would like to invest with me on eToro, use the link below to get $50 after you deposit and invest your first $100. If you have any questions or thoughts, please feel free to comment below or send me a message. Be sure to subscribe and follow so that you don't miss future videos.